Day 19, 30 Days of Bird. Here we go. Yardbird Suite. I'm not sure if this is quantifiable, but I think this might be the best one chorus solo I've ever heard. So in this video, I'm checking out some new reeds. These are the Gonzalez reeds. I got the RC, the regular cut version on my horn today. Okay, so I think I got it down at 75% speed. It's sounding pretty solid. Absolutely classic Bird bebop language 2/5, how he starts this solo. It's beautiful. Check this out. And then he's got this beautiful line going to the dominant 2 chord, landing on that natural 9. So smooth. So smooth. What is your favorite one chorus solo? This one ranks way up there for me. All right, let's try it at full speed. Nope. That last 25% really makes a difference. Not as clean as I want it to be. I got some work to do. Bird's articulation and fingers are moving too fast for me today. Maybe I'm still on East Coast time. I have no idea what that means because it's later in the day there, so I should be more awake. Who knows? Real quick about Gonzalez reeds, they grow their own cane and they use organic and sustainable materials for their shipping. So gotta love that about a company: sustainable, biodegradable, organic, things that I really stand for. Let's hopefully help heal this earth. But if you want to try some new reeds that are, I think, great, I like the way they sound. You guys let me know in the comments below. Gonzalez reeds, maybe give them a try. Right on. Thank you all there at Gonzalez Reeds for sending these out. This was a super fun one to learn. I highly suggest learning it. There's so much great language in here. And this is a classic tune to learn for jam sessions or for gigs. So Yardbird Suite, Bird, you crushed it. 30 Days of Bird, day 19. Have fun learning this one. I'll see you tomorrow. Later.